Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to track your job time in Zoho People. Alright, so first up, go ahead and log into your account and go to the left panel right here and click on Time Tracker. Okay, once done, as you can see here, we are under Time Logs. Now what you'll do in here is just basically select from one of the list right here if you're under List View. Also, when you go ahead and go to Calendar View, you'll be able to see the jobs right here. Okay, you can just click on it and check the hours. All right. Now let's go back to List View. Like so, if you want to start logging, okay, you can go ahead and select project right here. For example, we have sample project 2. I'm going to select it. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in a job name, another job, just for example. Okay. Click on save and then start the timer. There you go. Here we have the time. And when you go ahead and click on it, it will be listed right here later on. Okay. Now, when you go ahead over to reports right here, you can basically click on time logs. And here you have the report. Okay. We have the chart view and the list view. There you go. That's how you track job time here in Zoho People. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.